There's so much information to support the fact that rattles and shakers are a great first toy. Because of their sound, that makes them a perfect first instrument as well. At around 4 months, when your baby is beginning to grasp objects, a rattle is a typical toy or instrument that you might have around. When held by an adult, the sound gets their attention. They may move their eyes, their head, or even roll over to locate the source of the sound. When they do get their hands on it and shake it, which is initially involuntarily, they begin to understand the impact that their movement has on the world. And when you shake it in response to music or offer it to them, when you hear music, you're helping them to make the connection between this object, its sound, and music. In a few months, when you play music, you'll begin to see your child reach for shakers to accompany music without you needing to initiate it. The shaker really is a perfect first instrument.